We as an organisation had heard of the AMRC Training Centre in Sheffield. We'd had apprentices for many, many years and then decided that we wanted a higher level qualification for some of our apprentices, so that's made the move for us to use the AMRC Training Centre.
We're very satisfied with the quality of the training and the education that are provided by the AMRC Training Centre. We really liked the modern facilities, the fact that the tutors all come from industry. Our apprentices get the best experience and learn from others as well.
The communication that we have with the AMRC Training Centre is really, really effective. We have regular email contact and also regular visits, and that's really important for us so that we know what things are being studied and how that can be then implemented in the workplace.
The fact that we have a dedicated recruitment person who looks after our vacancies, it enables us to have a seamless process. He helps us from the beginning, so when we're saying what apprentices we want, right through to the onboarding.
Local businesses in the Greater South Yorkshire region really have got a massive opportunity to be able to use the AMRC as a training centre. The apprentices that are coming from the AMRC are, in my sense, pretty much fully functional. They're coming in from the training, fully prepared. They've seen all the new technology around them, sort of simulated into a GMSpark much quicker, and we're able to now give them responsibilities much earlier in their careers. And it's really made a difference to the business.
When they come back from their first 9 months of block learning, they've got all the skills and basic knowledge that they need, and that enables us to build on that and develop it further.
As an organisation, we plan to support our apprentices as far as they want to take their education with the AMRC Training Centre. We have one apprentice who's just about to start his degree level apprenticeship, and we're willing to support him as far as that would go.
Employers should invest in their existing workforce through apprentices, because it means that they'll get more from their apprentice once they've invested in them, and they will want to stay with the company further down the line.
It's so important to invest in the next generation, the future managers and leaders in our business community.